Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeff Couture, your plant-based bro. What's going down, yo?
All right, he's very excited.
Yes.
So tell us what you're making.
Today I'm making some lentil.
You're dressed like a chef.
You know what I got? You know what's crazy, bro? Is that I got this gig. I'm not a freaking chef.
You're not. You're just pretending to be a chef.
Well, they asked me to. There's this place.
You're like a poser chef.
I'm a poser chef.
All right, good.
And now I've got a meal plan and do everything.
So you're doing
7 days a week.
Plant-based bro chef work. And
Yeah.
And what are you making
Today
right
I'm
now?
making lentil meatballs with a creamy cashew gravy. That's going to be over rice, and I've also got some green beans that I've leftovers from yesterday's Christmas shenanigans.
You sound like a chef to me. I'm just
well,
saying.
you know, dude, you know my philosophy, right?
Tell me.
My philosophy is this. My philosophy is that if you can read, you can cook, bitch.
Right.
Right. So that was my YouTube channel, Plant Based Bro. YouTube. Check it out.
Gotcha. Like and
But
subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you're feeling the vibe, yo.
Yo,
What's
yo.
up?
Okay, back to no, finish your sentence.
Well, I'm sorry, what was the thought?
I don't remember, but anyway. Oh, look, there's Kyle's here saying.
Kyle, what's up, my brother?
Okay, so
Hey,
show us what you're making.
okay,
We're on so many
right now,
tangents.
these are cooking down. They're lentil, so that's going to evaporate.
So what is this going to become?
This is going to become a lentil meatball. So what over here I've got the cashews. I'm sorry, those are walnuts. You're going to throw some rolled oats in there. See the rolled oats? You're going to throw some nooch, which nooch is...
Buddy, nooch does not sound appropriate. It sounds inappropriate.
It's actually nutritional yeast, which I like to call it nooch because sometimes girls have a problem with yeast. I'm just saying.
Wow.
That's what we call it nooch.
We went to a very... Oh, so they have a problem with the word yeast.
Yes.
They don't like eating things that have yeast in them.
They don't like yeast.
You know what?
Why.
Let's just
I
move
don't know why.
on. We're moving on, Jeff.
Okay.
We're not talking about this
right,
anymore.
all right.
Okay, so you've got all these things and you're making meatless balls.
Meatless, lentil, Italian-style meatballs with a cashew creamy gravy, and it'll be on rice. And I will also probably roast some Brussels sprouts, and it's going to be super yummy delish, man. And I do it for the ladies.
You do it for the ladies.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. And then show us some of your other tools that you got hanging around here. Like I see, there's a bowl of stuff here. What's in there?
I'm soaking some cashews right now.
How long does that soak for?
For an hour. They soak for an hour so that they break down in the sauce and become super creamy.
Got it.
Thus the creamy cashew gravy that's going to be going down.
I got it. How much? You get very excited cooking,
I'm a very
don't you?
excitable guy, Matt.
I noticed that. So listen, so how long do you have to soak the cashews for them to be...
I just said that, Matt.
I know, but you talk so
I
fast.
was an hour. 1 hour.
So by 1 hour, are they
Slow it
are they easy to be...
and they blend up easier, Matt.
They
cream
mash.
up. They
So do
cream
you
up.
have to put them back in the blender, or can you just mash them with like?
Well, what I'm going to do, Matt, when I get all the ingredients put together for the gravy, I'm going to put it in a blender. I'm going to blend it smooth, and then what's going to happen is that I'm going to put it on a pan. I'm going to reduce it down a little bit. Probably add a little bit of some sort of
nooch?
Nooch is definitely nooch. Listen, let me just say something about anybody that is plant-based, anybody that wants to be plant-based, anybody that wants to be vegan. Nooch is your friend.
So let me just say this. Okay, I got
Nooch.
it. I got it. So let me say this. You know how you play bass?
I do play bass.
And no matter what song we play,
Yeah.
bass is the foundation of everything.
Wow, bro, that's something like...
Well, no, it's not a
Well,
compliment.
bass is the foundation.
I know. Is nooch like the base of plant-based cooking? I'm just trying to get this all clear.
I wouldn't say it's the base, but I
It's
would
the
say
base.
it's a nice little...
It's like if the nooch is off...
It's a nice little improv, and you know how I like to improv, bro.
Okay, but if the nooch is off, probably the dish is going to be off. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, you can never go wrong with nooch. More nooch, the better.
All right,
Nooch.
wow. All right, so tell me what we got here. What is?
Look at these knives, bro. I just bought these knives for
very
my
nice.
cooking show. These are Misin Japanese knives, handcrafted.
Wow, how much were they?
I got a good deal.
Chelsea,
on
you're
them.
in our video by accident. Say hi, everybody. Okay. Oh, she's waiting for the meatless balls.
She's waiting for the meatless balls. There's
Okay,
no
so
meat in those
you did
balls.
too fast on the knives. I want to talk to you about them.
Misin knives. They're
Can I
Japanese.
see them, sir?
Here's one right here.
Okay,
That's
now
dirty.
just relax. Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Why did you buy
Nice
these
balance.
knives?
Because I needed good knives, bro. You know, if you're going to be a chef, that's just... I
know,
can't even wrap
I
my
know.
head around that, bro.
Listen, little less on the espresso, but my question is, why did you buy these knives?
I saw an ad on Instagram or something, and then
wow.
I read about them, and then I read a bunch of reviews.
So
and
what
then
was the part of the review that made you go, this is the one for me?
the price?
My God. There was nothing about quality. You went, wow,
Well,
these are
I mean,
cheap.
I got 5 knives for $160, and I'm telling you right now, you go and you get some. You could spend $160 on on a bread knife. I mean.
So how long have you had these knives for?
I kind of for a little while. I just
like what's a little while? Like days, weeks,
like
or
a couple,
minutes?
Like about a month and a half, and then I just opened them up when I started my new chef gig.
Okay, yeah, we got it. So a month and a half, and then you've tried.
Chef.
I know, we know you're.
We got it.
It's
Yeah, we
freaking
got it.
hilarious.
Right. Okay, so
Anyway, but I don't want. Oh,
what? Chelsea?
Yeah.
Chelsea's the marketing director.
She does marketing.
Yeah.
Don't Chelsea. How is this since you're here? So tell me about Plant-Based Bros
Oh, no,
cooking.
I'm not prepared for this.
I know.
What?
How's the food?
It's pretty good.
It is.
No, it's
Wow.
really
It's great. So what have you, of the things that you've eaten from Plant-Based Bro, tell me your favorite.
Everybody looks at quinoa salad.
Don't tell her
Oh,
what to
I'm just-
say. I'm asking her to think. What would...
Let's see. I mean, that's tough. It depends on what meal. You know, like
Right.
so I love good breakfast, right?
Right.
And we made some really good breakfast.
So what do you do? Do like
breakfast
eggs and bacon for
toast.
breakfast?
No. My favorite by far
Huh?
has been bagels with nooch.
Oh, the nooch! What did my?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you just say something about the nooch?
You did. You were very
She
excited
had
about
no
the
idea.
news.
And it was gluten free because I'm intolerant.
Got it.
So, I mean,
So-
I was
So everything we cook here is vegan and gluten free.
Wow, there's no gluten.
No
So if I
gluten
want a
and no
side,
meat.
if I
No
want
animal products.
if I want a steak with a gluten gravy, this is probably not the place.
No.
No.
No. All right. All
So
right.
if you want wheat and meat, hit the
No
street.
wheat and
What up?
Oh, that's
If you want wheat and meat, hit the street, yo.
All right. I think we're good for today, guys. This has been the Plant-Based Bro.
Plant-Based
little bit
Bro.
of Chelsea, and
Don't
we're
forget
done.
the YouTube channel, like and subscribe if
If you're feeling the vibe.
There you go.